We thank you for joining us for Fox 5 Local News at 5. I'm Laura Evans.
And I'm Tony Perkins. Our top story tonight, a Maryland county is on edge after a recent spike in synthetic marijuana overdoses sends more than a dozen young people to the hospital. The youngest patient is just 11 years old. And now police believe many of the cases could be linked to one particular brand of spice or fake weed. Fox 5's Sherry Lee has the latest on the investigation from Washington County.
The hospital here in Hagerstown reported a large number of overdoses over the past 4 days from synthetic marijuana. One person OD'd twice. The patients showed up in the emergency room at Meritus Medical Center, complaining of trouble breathing, nausea, agitation, and paranoia after overdosing on synthetic marijuana. Over 4 days, more than 15 cases.
It's extremely dangerous. You don't know what chemicals you're putting into your body. You've got manufacturers that make different kinds. You have no idea what type of chemicals they are, how much of the chemicals are in there, or how your body's going to react to it.
The synthetic drug is a mix of herbs laced with chemicals that mimic the effects of marijuana. It's often sold as potpourri under a variety of brands and is commonly known as spice. No one has died, but 2 patients were temporarily placed on ventilators. The victims, all teens or kids, one as young as 11 years old.
I wouldn't want to try something that is fake and could kill me. I wouldn't want to do that anyways, but it's just crazy.
The Washington County Sheriff's Department says a drug task force has linked one particular brand called Strawberry Extreme Aromatherapy to several of the overdoses.
This particular brand, it's making people very sick. And we want to get it pushed out there that this is not something that they want to be messing with or that they want to ingest or smoke. It's causing people to become seriously ill.
Synthetic pot is illegal in Maryland, D.C., and Virginia, but law enforcement has a difficult time keeping it off the streets because the manufacturers, typically from China, change the chemical formula to stay one step ahead of the laws. The Sheriff's Department has not made any arrests in connection with the synthetic marijuana. It can be sold online, from person to person, or even in gas stations or convenience stores, but it often comes with a disclaimer that it is not for human consumption. In Hagerstown, Sherry Lee, Fox 5 Local News.